Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wise app not working. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device if it's an iOS device or an Android device. In my case, I'm just going to launch App Store. Now once you are here at the bottom right corner, you can see the option of search. Simply tap on that option. Now, just go to the search bar and simply search for Wise app. Here we go. Now, simply tap open the application that is on top. Now, once you are here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. Application problems may occur if your application is not updated. So make sure that you update your application to its latest version. Now, let's jump to step number 2. Just open settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on the option of General. Now, just scroll down below and select the option of iPhone storage. With that, various applications on your mobile device will appear. Now scroll down and search for Wise app. Once you see the app, tap open the application. Now once you are here, simply tap on the option of Offload app. Now tap on the option of Offload app again at the bottom of your screen. By doing this step, you'll be able to clear cache from the application. Now, before reinstalling the app, just wait for some time and then tap on Reinstall app again. Now, wait for some time until your app is being reinstalled. After your application has been reinstalled, you can simply open your application and your problem will be fixed. So this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.